You're such a mess! Look at you! Jeans ripped like your pride! Ha ha ha! Pathetic!
What? Why?
Gotcha!
No! Help!
Help! Help!
Help! Get away from me! I'm not going back!
Oh no! Where could it be? I must find it quickly!
Ouch! Whoa, run!
Goodbye. I'll miss you so much. Please be careful.
I have to go now. I'm so sorry.
Wait! Please don't leave me!
Haha! I found my treasure! Hooray! I found the treasure!
I'm so sorry. I have to go. But please keep this. It's all I have to give you. Goodbye.
Here, take this gift from the sea.
Thank you, it's beautiful!
Come on, little ones. We're going somewhere special. You can choose as many clothes as you want.
Goodbye, little ones. I'll see you soon.
Give me your best potion.
I was so happy. But now I remember you. I can't stay here anymore.
Haha! I'm coming!
I'm here!
I've never felt this way before. You make me believe in magic.
I missed you so much.
I can walk! I can walk!
You're doing great, my dear.
This potion will do wonders.